Hi guys, this is another video showing the making of my favorite onesie. If you want to learn how to make this onesie from scratch, please refer to my previous video. So in this video, we're just going to show you the additional steps to make this onesie using stretchable knit. For the hoodie, I would like to make it bigger. So from the hoodie's base, we extend it to a bit bigger. Tip number 1. As the fabric is stretchable and move around, you may want to use some fabric double-sided tape to tape the zipper in place. And then sew it. Tip number 2. As the fabric is stretchy, we recommend you to use zigzag stitches. And we also attach rib knit to the sleeves and the long pants. I really love how this turns out because it's so comfortable. I hope you like this video and smash that like button and subscribe to our channel.